Welcome. If you want to use Face Unlock in your Xiaomi Redmi 8A, let's go for the settings. Right now you have to scroll down, enter the passwords and the security, tap on the Face Unlock, input your log method, read the description, right there. If you do, just click next button. And right now the smartphone is scanning our face. And it's finished, so we can check how it works. And as you can see, we have to swipe to unlock. And the smartphone detects our face. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.